Ripple brings XRP ledger back online after 64-minute outage. What happened? On February 5th, the XRP ledger went down for about an hour. Ripple CTO David Schwartz mentioned that the network could have fixed itself during the downtime. The blockchain behind XRP, called the XRP ledger, went through a short outage that lasted 64 minutes. Schwartz explained that the problem happened because of a network drift, where the process of validating blocks failed to go through, even though the consensus was still working. It seems like only one validator stepped in to fix things manually. We're not totally sure if that did the trick or if the network just fixed itself, Schwartz said. By self-healed, he means the XRP ledger can restart block production if a majority of validators agree on the next step. Wallet services affected. The brief disruption also messed with wallet transactions. For example, Zaman Wallet, the XRP ledger's version of Solana's Phantom wallet, reported some issues. However, Schwartz made it clear that no assets were actually lost, even though some transactions failed. Some critics doubt XRP's future. Market analysts like Marty Party are skeptical about XRP's future. He pointed out that XRP struggles with its transaction speed, saying XRP goes down at 20 TKPS. I don't think it will make it. When looking at XRP's price, it dropped 6% on February 4th during U.S. trading hours. At the time, the coin couldn't stay above $2.50 and was under key price levels. This added to a short-term bearish outlook, especially with the U.S. jobs report coming out on February 7th, which could further drag the market down. Ripple CTO explains XRP ledger's glitch. The XRP ledger recently faced a major technical issue that paused block production for about an hour. David Schwartz, Ripple CTO, said the network is getting back on track, but he's not exactly sure what caused the failure. He thinks the issue happened because some validators didn't publish their data, causing the network to drift. Once the validators got in sync, the network came back online. Schwartz also admitted that he could be wrong about what happened and that the network might have recovered on its own. It looks like only a few operators made changes, so maybe the network just fixed itself. We're still figuring it out, Schwartz explained. He also reassured everyone that no majority validation data was lost during the glitch. It's likely that some servers didn't send data because they knew something wasn't right, he added. Bitcoin fans troll XRP's failure. Some Bitcoin enthusiasts took the XRP outage as an opportunity to make fun of the coin. One joked, "Good thing the XRP ledger went down. It's not like any banks are using it." But Schwartz pointed out that Bitcoin has had its own issues in the past with two major network failures. One in 2010 that lasted 8 hours and another in 2013 that lasted 6 hours. The rivalry between the two communities has been heating up recently, especially with ongoing debates about the U.S. crypto reserve. XRP price struggles. Due to the technical hiccup, XRP's price has dropped by over 6%, underperforming other top 10 cryptocurrencies. Trump's executive order could change U.S. financial strategy. In other news, Trump has signed an executive order to create a U.S. sovereign wealth fund. This could totally change the way the U.S. handles its financial strategy, as the fund would be a government-controlled investment tool aimed at shaping economic policies. Trump made the announcement on Monday, and the plan will now move forward with congressional hearings to investigate the alleged pressure on crypto companies under the Biden administration. Notably, Trump hinted that the fund might involve a potential deal with TikTok, the Chinese-owned social media giant currently facing regulatory scrutiny. He said, "I think in a short period of time, we'd have one of the biggest funds." During the signing ceremony, Trump emphasized the potential of a U.S. sovereign wealth fund, noting that nations like Saudi Arabia have already built massive investment reserves. Challenges ahead. He pointed to Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, currently valued at approximately $925 billion as a benchmark. While acknowledging that the U.S. lags behind in this regard, Trump expressed confidence that the country could eventually establish a competitive fund, leveraging its economic strength to drive long-term financial growth and global influence. However, Mark Crosby, director of Monash University's Bachelor of International Business program, believes that successful funds are usually established by countries with minimal or no debt, an area where the United States faces a challenge. With the U.S. debt soaring to approximately $36 trillion, the feasibility of launching such a fund raises critical questions about financial sustainability and long-term economic strategy. Ripple CTO explains XRP Ledger's recent failure. The XRP Ledger recently experienced a significant technical failure, halting block production for roughly an hour. According to Ripple CTO David Schwartz, the network is currently recovering. Schwartz has added that it is not clear what exactly caused the severe technical failure, but he believes that the network drifted apart due to validators not being published. Validators had to be published from a sane starting point after the network stopped. The network started operating again after enough consensus was built. XRP price impacted by brief XRP ledger outage. Analysts question network resilience. The recent outage of the XRP ledger has cast a shadow over XRP's price and investor sentiment, triggering discussions about its long-term viability. This disruption, which lasted for approximately 1 hour on February 5th, raised questions about the reliability of Ripple's blockchain technology. David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, emphasized that the network's ability to self-heal played a crucial role in restoring operations. XRP Ledger's recent outage caused market jitters, but Ripple's CTO claims the network's self-healing capabilities mitigated the impact on transactions. XRP Ledger network interruption and recovery. The XRP Ledger experienced a significant operational hiccup on February 5th, resulting in an outage that lasted approximately 64 minutes. And this incident raised alarms among investors and users who questioned the reliability of the blockchain. Ripple's CEO, David Schwartz, indicated that the cause of the disruption was a network drift, which occurred when validations failed to publish even when consensus was running properly. This failure led to a temporary halt in transaction processing, causing an uptick in user frustration. Technical insights from the outage. In a detailed account of the situation, Schwartz noted that intervention from a single validator played a role in restoring the network. He stated, "It looks like, as far as we can tell, only one validator operator manually intervened. It's still not entirely clear if that solved the problem or if the network self-healed." This commentary highlights the resilience of the XRP ledger, which Schwartz described as capable of finding a viable starting point to continue block production through the supermajority consensus mechanism. Impact on wallet services and market sentiment. The outage had immediate practical implications, notably affecting wallet services associated with the network. Zaman Wallet, a comparable service to Solana's Phantom Wallet, reported disrupted transactions during the outage. Despite these transaction failures, Schwartz reassured users that no assets were compromised, indicating a certain level of resilience in XRP's infrastructure. Some analysts voiced concern over the network's performance capabilities following the disruption. Market commentator Marty Party expressed doubts about the sustainability of XRP, stating, "XRP goes down at 20 TPs. I don't think XRP will work out." This criticism reflects a broader skepticism regarding the XRP token amidst its recent struggles to maintain value in an unstable market dynamics and price movements. During the trading hours on February 4th, XRP experienced a notable price decline, dropping approximately 6%. At the time of this writing, XRP remained under increased pressure, hovering below the critical $2.5 mark and failing to maintain key moving averages on higher time frames. This bearish environment has intensified skepticism as the market awaited upcoming economic reports, such as the U.S. jobs report expected on February 7th. XRP sees 20% rebound amid whale sell-offs and trade uncertainties as three target remains in question. XRP has made a remarkable recovery of 20% over the past 24 hours, despite ongoing challenges such as whale sell-offs and international trade tariff uncertainties. The cryptocurrency continues to navigate volatility, facing a critical resistance level at $2.62 as it attempts to attract more buyers. Whale sell-offs contribute to market volatility. Recent activities within the cryptocurrency market have highlighted the significant impact of whale sell-offs on XRP's price fluctuations. Reports suggest that over 130 million XRP were offloaded in a single day, which injected fear into the market and heightened bearish sentiment. This massive sell-off not only affected XRP, but also created a ripple effect, prompting smaller investors to liquidate their positions as well. Trading data indicates that the sell pressure has persisted as the buy-sell ratio for XRP on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, has remained notably low during the last 16 hours, according to insights from CryptoQuant. A stagnant buying activity on both DEX and centralized exchanges underscores the negative outlook that many traders currently hold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. I'll see you in the next one.